Good evening, namaskar, sat sri akal, adab. After a long time, we are back with you. Yes, we have been missing coming together. So, I'm your host for the evening, Ila Pachori, co-founder Motherhood Club, and yes, always the chief happiness officer at Motherhood Club, because this is what made me what I am today. मुझे ज्वाइन कर रही हैं आज एकता सहगल, co-founder Manas Wealth, and also the founder Motherhood Club. Today, she joins us in a new avatar. She is also the co creator for Sail to Rise. Along with us, we have Dr. Monica Goel Diwan. She is the co creator for Sail to Rise, and yes, of course, the CEO and founder for Namo Consulting. बहुत सारे लोगों को पता होगा, नहीं पता होगा कि डॉक्टर मोनिका गोयल दीवान, जिनको हम मोनिका बोलते हैं या मोनी बोलते हैं बहुत प्यार से, इन्होंने अभी रिसेंटली अपने कॉर्पोरेट बूट्स हैंग किए और अपनी एक कंसल्टिंग स्टार्ट की, और जहां पर ये एचआर से रिलेटेड, लाइफस्टाइल से रिलेटेड, लाइफ प्रैक्टिस से रिलेटेड बहुत सारी कंसल्टेशंस दे रही हैं और अभी अपने आप को एस्टैब्लिश कर रही हैं. मुझे याद है वो दिन जब मैं एक नई क्या मतलब जिसे कहते हैं कि मैं कुछ करना चाहती थी. मेरा ब्रांड प्लांट्स का स्ट्रगल कर रहा था, माय लिटिल ग्रीन्स बाय इला. और जब मैं अपने ब्रांड को एस्टैब्लिश कर रही थी तो बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस मेरे सामने आते थे, और डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली एकता मुझे बड़ी मदद करती थी विद हर एक्सपर्टीज. इसका बहुत, क्योंकि एकता का एक कॉर्पोरेट बैकग्राउंड रहा. शी हैज बीन इनटू अ फाइनेंस विद फाइनेंस बैकग्राउंड. शी इज अ फिन मेंटर, अ मेंटर, एंड बहुत जगह मैं अटकती थी. मुझे टेक्निकल नॉलेज बिल्कुल नहीं थी. बहुत सारी चीज़ों में मेरे को एकता सपोर्ट करती थी, और मैं हमेशा वंडर करती थी काश कोई ऐसी जगह हो जहां मुझे सब कुछ एक साथ मिल जाए. कि अगर मुझे सोशल मीडिया की हेल्प चाहिए, अगर मुझे कोई स्ट्रैटेजीज बनानी है, अगर मुझे नेटवर्किंग करनी है, अगर मुझे कुछ और सोचना है अपने बिजनेस को बढ़ाने के बारे में, अकेले कैसे बढ़ाऊं. तो आई ऑलवेज फेल्ट द नीड ऑफ some kind of support which was not available to me then directly. Yes, indirectly Monica was there to help me, Ekta was there to help me, and recently both of them collaborated together and they have formed a beautiful platform called Sail to Rise. Ladies and gentlemen, आज हम सेल टू राइज के बारे में बात करेंगे. एकता और मोनिका से समझेंगे ये सेल टू राइज है क्या. तो मेरा पहला क्वेश्चन एकता की तरफ ही डायरेक्टेड है. यस, जो आपका प्लेटफॉर्म, एक ट्रांसफॉर्मेशनल प्लेटफॉर्म सेल टू राइज जो आपने स्टार्ट किया है, आपका ये नया वेंचर, व्हाट इट इज ऑल अबाउट, व्हाट इज सेल टू राइज. एकता, मोस्ट वेलकम.
Thank you, Ila. Hi, Monica. Hi, everyone. Good to be here after a very long time, as Ila mentioned. और एक नए अवतार में मदरहुड क्लब पे आने की जो खुशी है वो मैं बयान नहीं कर सकती हूँ, और साथ में है मोनिका. तो सेल टू राइज एक ट्रांसफॉर्मेशनल प्लेटफॉर्म जिसके बारे में इला ने मेंशन किया. बहुत ज़रूरी है समझना कि ये प्लेटफॉर्म क्यों है, क्या करेगा, कौन करेगा, क्योंकि ये सवाल शायद हर किसी के दिमाग में आता है जब कोई नई चीज उनके सामने आती है. पर सवाल ये भी उठता है क्या ये वाकई में कुछ नया है या ऑलरेडी बहुत कुछ है. सो लेट्स टेक इट स्टेप बाय स्टेप, एंड आई एम श्योर इला के दिमाग में भी कई सवाल होंगे जो वो ड्यूरिंग द कोर्स ऑफ द कॉन्वर्सेशन पूछना चाहेंगी, एंड आप लोगों के भी कुछ सवाल होंगे. सो वी आर वेरी हैप्पी टू आंसर दोज क्वेश्चंस. Before I say what Sail to Rise is, it is important to give a little bit of a background about Monica and myself. Everybody knows that Monica is an HR professional, Uh, she's worked for over 2 decades, and very recently she hung her boots. She decided कि अब मुझे जॉब नहीं करनी है जो एक 9 to 6 जॉब होती है, बट मुझे वो करना है जिसके बारे में आई एम पैशनेट. एंड मेरी स्टोरी काफ़ी हद तक मदरहुड क्लब के मेंबर्स जानते हैं that I also used to work in the corporate space, and I decided to hang my boots in December of 2011. And 2012 is when the kira of becoming a businesswoman or an entrepreneur came in. And of course, there has been no looking back. तो जब मैंने अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट की एज अ बिजनेस वुमन और एज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर, आई वॉज ऑल बाय माई सेल्फ. एंड आप क्लर्क भी हैं, आप मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर भी हैं, आप खुद फोटोकॉपी भी कर रहे हैं, खुद के लिए चाय भी बना रहे हैं, एंड यू आर प्रीटी मच डूइंग एवरीथिंग बाय योरसेल्फ. एंड एज आई स्टार्टेड टू सेट माय बिजनेस, वन थिंग आई वाज वेरी क्लियर. लोगों को ज्यादातर क्लैरिटी होती है कि उनको क्या करना है, ऐसा लोग सोचते हैं, पर मुझे उस चीज के बारे में बहुत अच्छी क्लैरिटी थी कि मुझे क्या नहीं करना. So, you can always start things in a very different way, the way you feel is the most appropriate way. And the reason that I did that was because in my 10, 11 years of corporate journey, I worked with a lot of first times, whether it was a new company or it was a new division or a change of a complete team, setting up processes, finding out how to overcome problems. And that helped me to think very differently. I don't really come from a business family. My father was in the army, and my paternal uncles also were, not in business. So there is nobody in the family as such from my father's side who's been in the business. So I had to learn it all on the job. So when Monica also decided to, take on that plunge, there were a lot of conversations that happened between her and me. Ila and the two of us also had a lot of conversations. And while Monica and I were talking, we realized that people like her, or a lot of us, when we actually get onto this journey, there are so many things which we have taken for granted, but we don't know how to do them because somebody was there doing it for us. As a corporate person, you either specialize in HR or you specialize in marketing or finance. But when you're a business person, you do everything by yourself. So that was the genesis of this whole thought. And in addition to that, we also realize that there are a lot of other avenues and aspects of a human being, of an individual. When you start something new, how that entire journey impacts you personally and professionally. If it is not entwined, अगर वो एक साथ नहीं जुड़ता है, तो कहीं ना कुछ पीछे छूट जाता है. तो इसकी वजह से Sail to Rise का जन्म हुआ. That's how Sail to Rise was given birth. And what is Sail to Rise? Monica, would you want to talk about a little bit about your journey before I talk about what Sail to Rise actually stands for?
Thank sure. Thanks, Ekta. In fact, एकता बहुत ब्यूटीफुली एक्सप्लेन किया है हम लोगों ने क्या सोचा, किस तरह से स्टार्ट किया. जस्ट टू शेयर विद एवरीवन व्हाट इज लिटिल बिट अबाउट माय जर्नी. जैसे एकता ने बोला कि शी हैज वर्कड विद फर्स्ट टाइमर्स क्वाइट अ लॉट इन हर करियर टेन्योर. मेरे करीब 20 साल के कॉर्पोरेट एक्सपीरियंस में अगर मैं कहूँ तो करीब करीब 10 से 12 साल आई वर्कड विद अ कंपनी जहाँ पे मैंने पूरा का पूरा HR फंक्शन स्टार्ट किया. सो दैट इज व्हाट गेव मी दैट कॉन्फिडेंस एंड कंफर्ट कि हाँ कुछ नया कैसे शुरू करते हैं, क्या होता है, कैसे सोचते हैं, क्या चेंजेस होते हैं आपके विचारों में, मेंटली, फिजिकली, हाउ डज इट इम्पैक्ट योर पर्सनल रिलेशनशिप्स, कितना टाइम आपको देना पड़ता है. तो वहां से वो एक शुरुआत हुई थी मेरे साथ. करीब करीब अगर मैं टाइम बोलूँ तो वो एकता ने अपनी एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जर्नी शुरू करी थी 2011-12 में और मैंने ये कंपनी ज्वाइन करी थी 2012 में. तो शुरुआत मोटा मोटा वहीं से हुई थी. बट जो एक रियल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप वाला सिचुएशन है वो मेरे साथ आया लास्ट ईयर. तो तब मैंने ये सोचना शुरू किया कि अब बहुत टाइम हो गया है एज एन एम्प्लॉय। नाउ कुछ ऐसा करती हूँ जो मुझे अपने तरीके से काम करने के लिए अलाउ करे, राइट? तो मैं अभी तक किसी और के लिए काम कर रही थी, अब मैं चाहती थी कि अपने लिए, अपनी चॉइस के हिसाब से, अपने डिसीजंस के हिसाब से, जिस एरिया में मैं काम करना चाहती हूँ, जिस एरिया में मैं और लोगों को सबको सपोर्ट कर सकती हूँ, सजेस्ट कर सकती हूँ, गाइड कर सकती हूँ, मैं वो एरिया पिक करती हूँ अब। तो तब मैंने ये डिस्कशन शुरू करी थी। ऑफ कोर्स फर्स्ट डिस्कशन घर पर हुई थी, बट उसके बाद मेजर डिस्कशंस एकता और ईला के साथ हुई थी। ईला से काफी हद तक एक मॉरल अंडरस्टैंडिंग, एक मेंटल सपोर्ट, एक एनकरेजमेंट था, और एकता के साथ एक प्रैक्टिकल अंडरस्टैंडिंग थी, बिकॉज उसका जो एक्सपीरियंस है फ्रॉम एन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जर्नी is definitely way beyond than what I am or what even Ela is. तो कि क्या होगा, कैसे सिचुएशंस आएंगी, मतलब मुझे याद है मैं अभी भी वो डिस्कस करती थी कि अब मुझे एक कॉफी बनाना भी सीखना पड़ रहा है, क्योंकि आज तक इतने सालों में कभी ऑफिस में चाय या कॉफी बनाई ही नहीं। अभी वो कॉफी मशीन कैसे चलती है, एक फोटो कॉपी कैसे करते हैं, या फिर प्रिंटर से प्रिंट लेके आने के लिए भी मेरे पास कोई होता था। तो ये
Absolutely.
चीजें मुझे एकता ने समझाई थी कि मोनी, शुरुआत तो तू कर रही है, बट ये ध्यान रखना कि अभी तेरे पास तेरी कमांड सुनने के लिए कोई नहीं होगा। तुझे अपनी डिमांड, कमांड, रिमांड सब कुछ खुद ही करना पड़ेगा। तू
बिल्कुल सही।
डांटेगी भी खुद को, लड़ेगी भी खुद से, प्यार खुद को करेगी, शाबाशी भी खुद को देगी। तो
True.
दैट इज वेयर माय जर्नी वाज। ओवर टू यू एकता।
Yeah, absolutely. And I remember those days where, she would send me a message or have a conversation. कि ये कैसे करते हैं? And don't worry, I'll tell you. I'll handhold you. And these are very
या
simple things, which
या
as professionals we take for granted. But I guess let's come straight to what does Sail to Rise really stand for.
या
For each one of us, we all like how it is a journey of a butterfly. We start as as a caterpillar. Gradually we become that beautiful butterfly, and that journey for a caterpillar to a butterfly is not a very easy journey. And very interestingly, today in the morning, on one side I was making ghee, and on the other side I was taking out butter. I was doing two activities parallelly, and while I was doing it, my mind was constantly working that दोनों के इंग्रेडिएंट सेम है, एक को मैं बहुत जोर जोर से फेंट रही हूं और एक को मैंने तपती आग पे रख दिया है। दोनों की सिचुएशन वही है, लेकिन उसका आउटकम कुछ और है, और दोनों के ट्रीटमेंट अलग है। आई थिंक सिमिलरली लाइफ ट्रीट्स अस
या
Very true,
at
very
any
true.
given point, right? So, and it wasn't a very कि मुझे ऐसा सोचना है, it just came to my mind कि ये this is so interesting and so much can be drawn out of this, a simple process of making ghee or butter which we take for granted, but उसमें भी कितनी सीख है. So that has been my approach from the very beginning, that anything and everything that you do, whether you feel happy about it or you get frustrated, there is a learning that is there and you need to figure out what that learning is. Maybe आप गुस्से में उस learning या frustration में नहीं समझ पाएंगे, but later step back, pause to figure out what it is. And something similar happens with each one of us in different phases of life. When we transform from a student to someone who starts working, from there to the middle space, and then from there to retirement, and from retirement to doing nothing. Retirement का भी वो एक जो initial glorified phase होता है, and then you have this phase where you have just nothing. You feel so redundant कि हमारे पास तो कुछ है नहीं, हमारी value नहीं है. And ये gender agnostic है, पुरुष महिला दोनों ऐसा feel करते हैं. तो इन सारी चीजों को मद्देनजर रखते हुए, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं हमारी जब सेल टू राइज की जर्नी भी बढ़ेगी आगे, अभी तो वो एक कैटरपिलर है छोटा सा खुद, जब वो उसकी भी जर्नी बढ़ेगी, हम इन सारे एस्पेक्ट्स के ऊपर टच अपॉन करेंगे, और इन सब चीजों को, इस पूरे ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन को अचीव करने के लिए सेल टू राइज का होना बहुत जरूरी है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स सेल टू राइज एज अ प्लेटफॉर्म बट सेल टू राइज है क्या? स्किल बिल्डिंग, एडिंग न्यू एट्रीब्यूट्स, investment, be it of money or knowledge. L is for learning. Knowledge gain karna is not just learning. Learning comes when you actually use it and you find out how it can be used to your benefit and advantage and how do you need to better yourself. जब आप ये कर लेंगे, जो कि बहुत ही प्रोफेशनल एनवायरनमेंट के एक रिक्वायरमेंट होती है या एक ग्रोथ की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, then you move to the point where you start to rise, where you retry, even if you fall 20 times, 100 times. You start inspiring people. You shine. And at the end of it, you reach a point where you're enlightened and you're able to empower many more around you. So this, my friends, is Sail to Rise. अगर हिंदी में बोलें तो ये एक ऐसी जर्नी है जहाँ पे आप नई चीजें सीखते हैं, अपनी इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हैं, उसको यूज करते हैं, कोशिश करते हैं, दूसरों को मोटिवेट करते हैं, इनकरेज करते हैं, खुद एक चमकता सितारा बनते हैं अपनी नजरों में और दुनिया की नजरों में, पर मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली अपनी नजरों में। और लास्टली आप एक ऐसे मुकाम पे आ जाते हैं जहां आपके अंदर वो एक क्षमता आ जाती है कि आप सिचुएशन को भाप के ऐसे सिचुएशन में होते हैं कि आप सामने वाले को गाइड कर सकते हैं। पीपल लुक अप टू यू कि हाँ, अगर मुझे कोई चैलेंज है या मुझे कुछ डिस्कस करना है या कुछ अचीव करना है लाइफ में, पर्सनली या प्रोफेशनली, दिस इज माई गो टू पर्सन. दैट इज वेयर यू स्टार्ट इनलाइटनिंग द लाइव्स ऑफ पीपल. सो दिस, Ela, is Sail to Rise. I know we've taken a little too much time to explain this, but I think this is the core, the crux of it. If we get any further into this, then I think there'll be, a very different conversation and a very long conversation, because while Moni and I were talking as to what we named this platform, we had a lot of names, and then of course we came on to this, and then we broke it, and we've used Sail to Rise in the past. Some of our friends who were watching or who would watch, if they recollect. And at that time also, there was a purpose behind using this. And the detailing of that Sail to Rise was very different. But in a sense, it is important that how we outshine ourselves. How do we work upon being a better version of our own self rather than fussing and cribbing, okay, this is it and this is the end. That's what I would say. Anything that you would like to add, Monica?
No, I think you've beautifully done it, Ekta. Sail to Rise, as I always say, is uh, your ability to outshine yourself after going through the journey of life. It can be professional, it can be personal, because phases or transitions हमारे दोनों areas में आते हैं, personal and professional. So to overcome those situations and sail through them with confidence, with abilities, and then stand tall is what Sail to Rise is all about.
वेरी वेल एक्सप्लेन बोथ ऑफ यू. दोनों ने ही बहुत अच्छे से समझाया. अगर मैं इसको अपनी पर्सनल जर्नी से जोड़ूं, सेल टू राइज का मैं क्लासिक एग्जांपल हूँ. नॉट वंस ट्वाइस, बल्कि मोर देन 3 टाइम्स मे बी. सो जब मैं 40 इयर्स की हुई थी तो मैंने डिसाइड किया था कि मैं 40 इयर्स की होंगी तो मैं कुछ ऐसा काम करूंगी जो और लोग नहीं करते, स्पेशली विमेन नहीं करती. तो मैंने रियल एस्टेट ज्वाइन किया था. I had no prior knowledge of real estate. I had nobody in my family who had worked in this field. But yes, I joined, and with the help of my mentors, I learned the skills. And मेरा जो पहला मेंटोरिंग का जो सबक मुझे मेरे मेंटोर ने सिखाया था, उन्होंने ये सिखाया था कि learn to accept 10 no's बिफोर द 11th yes. जब आप 10 बार लोगों से नो नो नहीं होगा, नहीं लेंगे, नहीं करेंगे, ये डील नहीं होगी, इतने बार आपको आदत डालनी होगी, इतना आपको स्ट्रगल आएगा, उसमें से भी अगर आप निकल गए तो 11वीं दफे आपको यस तो जरूर सुनने को मिलेगा. तो विदिन अ फ्यू मंथ्स, फ्रॉम अ नोबडी टू द नेशनल ब्रोकर ऑफ द ईयर के अवार्ड तक जब मैं पहुंची थी, तो मुझे पता है कि मैंने उसमें कितना इनपुट अपना लगाया था. I armed myself with necessary knowledge, with tips and tricks of the trade, while balancing my family life, and yes, not hesitating from venturing into a mains domain. जब मैंने अपना वो कंफर्ट लेवल छोड़ के, घर की चार दीवारी को छोड़ के, जब मैं फील्ड ट्रिप्स पे जाती थी, साइट विजिट्स पे जाती थी, एंड हमेशा मेन ही मेन मेरे आसपास होते थे, वहां से जब निकल के आज मैं खुद को देखती हूँ, तो मुझे लगता है वेल डन इला, और मैं सच में खुद की पीठ थपथपाती हूँ. सिमिलरली जब मैंने प्लांट्स का काम स्टार्ट किया, वो भी इजी नहीं था, क्योंकि मेरा ये था कि मुझे एक एक प्लांट खुद से बनाना है. अब वो मुझे कैसे मैनेज करना है कि मैं कब वेंडर के पास जाती हूँ, कब वहां से प्लांट सेलेक्ट करती हूँ, कैसे मैं प्लांट्स को बनाती हूँ, कैसे डिलीवरी करनी है, मुझे टैगिंग करनी है. मोस्ट ऑफ यू हैव बीन माय कस्टमर्स. सो जब आपने मेरे अंदर वो कॉन्फिडेंस दिखाया था कि इला कर लेगी बड़े ऑर्डर्स हैंडल, तो मैं कैसे आप लोगों को निराश करती, या मैं खुद को निराश कैसे कर सकती थी. सिमिलरली जब अभी मैं फूड ट्रेड में आई हूँ, जब मैं होम शेफ का काम कर रही हूँ, तो यहाँ पे चाहे ऑर्डर्स कलेक्ट करने हो, कल के लिए क्या फ्लोट करना है ये करना हो, पैकेजिंग करनी हो, लोगो डिसाइड करना हो, कुछ भी काम हो, और रैपिडो या डिलीवरी का कोई भी पोर्टल से कोई डिलीवरी राइडर मुझे बुक करना हो, यहाँ पर भी मैं वन मैन आर्मी हूँ. challenges बहुत आते हैं, लेकिन at the end of it, when I see the money flowing in and when I see the appreciation and respect flowing in my way, I am the happiest. और इसमें मेरे को, जैसा मैंने अभी शुरुआत में भी बोला, एकता ने और मोनिका ने बहुत बहुत हेल्प की है. और एकता का तो मुझे पता है, वो उन्होंने कितने लोगों को की हैंड होल्डिंग की है. मेरे सामने लिविंग एग्जाम्पल्स हैं. कुछ लोग उसको एक्नॉलेज करते हैं, कुछ नहीं करते हैं. तो इस प्लेटफॉर्म की जरूरत तो बहुत ज्यादा थी, यह मैं मानती हूँ. आपका कोलैबोरेशन काम कैसे करेगा? आप फाइनेंस बैकग्राउंड से हैं, मोनी जो है एचआर प्रोफेशनल रही हैं, तो हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू बैलेंस इट आउट? यू टू आर डिफरेंट एंटिटीज, you have got your different energy levels, different personalities and expertise fields. How are you going to bring it all together?
Good question.
मोनी देंगी पहले इसका जवाब.
I also want her to answer this.
Okay, both of you have put the gun on my shoulder. Huh? Okay, all right. Ila, I would simply say, so let's assume that somebody has to set up a new venture. एक वेंचर को सेटअप करने के लिए क्या चाहिए होता है? आपको टेक्निकल एक्सपर्टीज चाहिए, ठीक है. आपको पीपल रिलेटेड challenges को हैंडल करना आना चाहिए, because you will need manpower or you will need processes, you will need support. You need financial support in terms of how can you handle it, how do you make your investments, or how do you get the money, etc., etc. And then, of course, surrounding all this, what you need is emotional quotient. Okay, very high level of EQ, right? Because एक entrepreneurship journey को अगर मैं specifically अगर pick करूं इस area को, तो it is full of turmoil, it is full of challenges. Okay, जैसे आपने बोला कि you have to learn to hear 10 no's, तो वो जो एक एक no आप सुनते हो, it breaks you. How do you handle that situation? It does not come easy to everybody. ठीक है, तो मेरा और एकता का बैकग्राउंड डेफिनेटली अलग है. आवर एक्सपर्टीज आर इन डिफरेंट एरिया, बट हमारा जो थॉट प्रोसेस है, जो हमारी सोच है, और जो हमारा एक एस्पिरेशन है, दैट इज कॉमन. ठीक है. प्लस इफ आई लुक एट इट, हमारी जो पर्सनालिटीज हैं, जैसे आपने दूसरा एरिया बोला कि हमारी पर्सनालिटीज अलग है, तो आई थिंक दैट इज एन एडवांटेज. आई बिलीव दैट इज एन एडवांटेज, बिकॉज जब एक थोड़ा सा, आई वुड से, assertive होता है, okay, if not aggressive, somebody is assertive, somebody is comfortable speaking from the front, there has to be somebody who can hold that person's hand to say that, okay, we need to calm down, or we need to probably explore other aspects also of that situation. Okay, अगर दोनों ही एक ही चीज बात करेंगे तो नया आइडियाज कहाँ से आएंगे, नए थॉट प्रोसेसेस कहाँ से आएंगे? So I think of it from that perspective, that we are different, we have similarities, and our differences definitely complement each other to help us offer holistic offerings. Ekta, over to you to add.
Absolutely, I kind of agree with what you said. And iske ilawa, as they say, opposites attract, right? We are very different personalities, and you know, as Monica also mentioned, that I have spent about almost, you know, out of my 24 years of career, half has been in the corporate world and half as an entrepreneur. So in that sense of it from a experience point of view, you know, I would have more understanding of running the business as compared to her. But she brings in her understanding of the business from a, you know, from a professional point of view. And for any business, if you see, कोई भी काम अगर आप, जितने भी लोग यहाँ पे जॉब करते हैं, आप जब भी कोई काम करते हैं, 2 चीज़ों के साथ तो आपको रोज़ डील करना पड़ता है, मनी एंड ह्यूमन, right? But when you also deal with money, and especially the space that I work in, which is more towards wealth management, investments, I also deal with people. More than understanding how much money they have, it is absolutely very, very important for me to understand how do they think, what is their behavior towards finance, what is their in general conduct, वो सोचते कैसे हैं. So HR by default comes in. And when you run a business, and as Ela was also sharing, from buying a pen to perhaps traveling in a plane is all done by you. So when you bring in that knowledge together, you actually become a team which is not two here, 1 plus 1, but we are 11, because we are able to think from different facets and different aspects of life. Our personal journeys also have been very different. Needless to say that both our journeys have had their own set of struggles, be it personally or professionally. That also brings in that kind of humility and humbleness that is needed to deal with people in different situations. Where maybe at times I may be assertive, she will bring in that compassion, or vice versa. So we have similarities, we have dissimilarities. And I think if two people come together who think alike, there is no creativity over there. So that creativity, and in a business, if there is no creativity, if you're not able to think out of the box and you're always agreeing with each other, then you are stagnated. And so far, all the conversations that she and I have had, I would say 60% we would say that, okay, yes, we connect with what you say. But at the same time, you know, we also say that I don't think I agree with you, or I think there should be something more to it. So we are challenging ourselves, we are questioning ourselves, questioning each other. And I think that is what makes a difference. That anybody who engages with us gets a holistic approach, a multidimensional approach. And I think that's going to be our biggest advantage. That's what I feel. And, you know, that's how we're going to play to our advantage and also play to our differences.
Yep.
Supposing somebody comes to me and asks, मेरे को बिजनेस सेट करना है, मैं कुछ करना चाहती हूँ, मेरे ये चैलेंजेस हैं. तो मैंने आपका लाइव देखा था, लेकिन मुझे उसमें से ना ये नहीं समझ आया कि ये मुझे क्या सर्विसेज देंगे अगर मैं इनको अप्रोच करती हूँ तो. So what are the services that Sail to Rise is going to offer to its customers or clients, or while they take on a project?
That's a good point. Do we want to share about our services? We
I think
should,
we'll
right?
have to give them,
Yes.
yeah, we'll have to give them
Yes.
some to start with for sure.
Yes.
Why don't you take it up?
Okay, I think entrepreneurship से ही start करते हैं, because that's something which we feel and we see around us, that people now are going towards it. Okay. Make in India as a concept was initiated by Indian government some years back, and that has really become a rage. Okay, we see startups mushrooming, we see startups dying also. मैंने भी शुरू किया अभी, आपका भी है इला, और एकता काफी टाइम से कर रही है, right? So as an entrepreneur, when you say that I want to start something, and the person, so there are two situations. One, the person is sure and clear कि मुझे क्या करना है, और दूसरी सिचुएशन है उसको नहीं पता कि उसको क्या करना है, बट हाँ कुछ करना है. ठीक है, तो दोनों सिचुएशंस में we come into picture from a different aspect. In the first situation wherein the person is clear कि मुझे क्या करना है, then what we sit through and discuss with the person is इसको कैसे करना है, how to approach this subject. उसके लिए आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप क्या क्या करना है, कितना टाइम लगेगा हर चीज में, किस तरीके से आप उसको अप्रोच कर सकते हो, कैसे आप उसकी स्ट्रैटेजीज बना सकते हो, राइट? सो नेटवर्किंग करनी है, पीआर है, एडवर्टाइजिंग है, प्रोडक्ट पैकेजिंग है, सो एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग, राइट? सो वी कम इनटू पिक्चर फ्रॉम दैट perspective. Now second situation में you don't know what do you want to do, but you are passionate about doing something. So we take a step back and help you uh, sieve through your thought process. Okay, तो उसमें हमारा जो mentoring and coaching वाला aspect है, that will become the first step. Okay, because पहले वाले situation में it was business advisory, and this would be a mentoring and coaching to start with, and then it will go to the advisory situation, right? In दोनों situation में the main thing is what we offer is a partnership, right? Taking ownership of what you are planning to do, what you are trying to achieve from day one, hand holding you, okay, moving with you in those situations, and supporting you and guiding you, right? So from our own experiences, our network, our connect, so this is what we will be working upon. That's a first offering, right? As an entrepreneur, if you want to start with.
Yes.
Ekta, you want to add something on the entrepreneurship journey?
Yes, in addition to strategy, finding out the whatever the target audience, marketing, social media, networking, also is a very important aspect of finance,
Funding.
funding. Or if you have your own money, how to utilize it, and
Yep.
more so for people who, someone like say Monica who wants to start something and is still, either in a job or they are wanting to figure out what to do, and that mentoring and coaching would also incorporate your sustenance, your
Yes.
lifestyle and everything. So it will be a complete package that you
Yeah.
would have to understand how to manage your emotions, manage your skills, manage your investments, the money that is involved, and thereby creating that entire in a more corporate balance कि एक ecosystem बनेगा आपका, एक support बनेगी. So we become that community for you with whom you can discuss. And why I say community, so when I started my journey as an entrepreneur, I first started off with a set of 3 friends. It was a private limited company, but for whatever reasons, we had to close that. And then that's when Manas Wealth took birth. So when Manas Wealth completely, shaved off from what the earlier company was, and I would sit in my room in front of my laptop and my table, and there is a wall in front of me. So every time that I would think of something, I would only have the wall to talk to.
Yeah.
The wall would absorb all that I thought or said. If I said it aloud, कोई होता नहीं था घर में, तो nobody thought I was mad, right? But the wall didn't answer back.
Yeah.
So I found ways to get my answers back. What those ways are, I'm not going to get into it. But when you are a solopreneur, when you are a single person and doing many things, you get stuck. I mean, that's a given. आप कहीं ना कहीं अटकते हैं या एक point of stagnation आता है, and then you need to start thinking in now what. You don't have that critical environment or that someone who's questioning you. कि अगला क्या? What is next? What is next? Right? And as human beings, we are very attuned to that space. I don't know whether we have any statistics for this, but there are a handful of people who are self-driven. You need to be driven to
Yeah.
reach or to achieve something. The ones who are self-driven, they achieve. Or, they find ways, like how I found ways. So I created my external board. One of the things that I did. And I would tell them, you know what, I'm going to do this in the next 10, 15 days. Why don't you check with me after 15 days whether I've done it or not? So I self-imposed that, whip on my head. But then obviously everybody has their own way. So when you create that environment, when you create that community, it helps you to advance. So many a times in our conversation, Ila has mentioned that, she and I would speak, or she and Monica would speak, or collectively we would speak. Even at Motherhood Club, all those things that we used to do was not a single driven thing. It was a very well thought out, a very well crafted approach. And where we would challenge each other कि नहीं ये नहीं करेंगे, ये करेंगे, इसको ऐसे करेंगे. So that is why to create that community, to create that environment is very important, and that is what Sail to Rise is going to be doing it. In addition to that, there is one space, two spaces other, I would say, Monica, with your permission, I would like to mention.
Yeah, please.
Right? Which, as I said, that in our own journey, they will be plugged in. We will definitely focus on women because that comes very close to our heart. And, Motherhood Club, of course, is a platform for all the mothers. So we definitely want a lot of women who still haven't yet figured out what they want to do or they want to enter into this space. We would want to work with them. And we would definitely want to work with those set of people who are in that mid-age, who are trying to figure out what have I done in my last 20, 25 years and what am I wanting to do in the next 20, 25 years. And women, why? Because statistically, it's only 26% of the entire workforce, which is women.
Yeah.
26% जो जितने लोग काम करते हैं, सिर्फ 26% जो कंट्रीब्यूशन है उसमें वो महिलाओं की है, और उसमें से भी केवल 8% महिलाएं हैं जो टॉप पे जाती हैं. ये बहुत ही स्क्यूड नंबर है, और वो इसलिए नहीं जाती है क्योंकि हम सब बहुत सारी जिम्मेदारियां निभाती हैं, और कहीं ना कहीं हम उनको निभाते निभाते अपने ऊपर, देयर इज अ टर्म विच इज कॉल्ड bespoke ट्रेनिंग, कि वो क्या औरतों को उसकी ज्यादा जरूरत है. तो स्किल बिल्डिंग की बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत है. सबको लगता है कि हमारे जो स्किल्स है ना वो धीरे धीरे खत्म हो जाते हैं. तो वो सब के बारे में हम बात करेंगे, लोगों को हेल्प करेंगे. एंड इन द होल process, let me tell you, it's going to be a very win-win situation. We will also learn. After all, we are also two entrepreneurs who've come together, two solopreneurs have come together to, well, calling it a conglomerate is a very big thing because we are two small drops in the ocean. But yes, that's the endeavor, that two minds come together and are able to own something and create something more beautiful. And that would be the butterfly that we would all want to look at.
Beautiful.
So these are the services.
Yes. So anybody who aspires to be an entrepreneur, anybody who is already having a small or a mid-sized business of their own, but they want to scale it up, anybody who is struggling to keep their business afloat. Okay. So will you be taking all of these options into consideration? Can they all reach out to you, or is it going only to be for like somebody who is aspiring to an entrepreneur?
It is for everybody.
For everybody. And I wouldn't restrict it to just the professional environment, Ila. as I
I was
mentioned,
coming to this. I was coming to this. Yes.
right, okay, maybe I read your mind. So, as I said in the beginning, when we were talking about Sail to Rise, the sale aspect is more about, you know,
Professional.
professional thought process के हो सकता है skill build करें. But who says that as an individual in my personal space, I cannot build a skill? I mean, why go far? Let's look at the three of us sitting here and talking to each other. Uh, we all three of us have a flair to write,
Yeah.
right? If nothing else, once we retire, it may not, you know, forget it whether it is going to yield you any money or not, but we have a passion that we have
Yes.
ignited in ourselves, which
Yep.
will help us be gainfully occupied when we decide to retire, right?
Yep.
I, you know, Ila has a passion towards cooking. Monica is an avid reader. She keeps reading and she keeps adding a lot of knowledge to herself. I have recently ventured into learning art. Now, skill can be of any kind, and who knows which skill could yield into something so beautiful that it actually carves out your identity, not at the age of 30, 40, or 50, but even at the age of 70. And who says that you cannot start something afresh when you are in the golden years of your life, right? Many a time they say, right, retirement is your second innings. So we are open to have conversations with pretty much everybody as long as they believe that they are willing to sail to rise. That is the most important criteria over here.
Absolutely. I
Anything?
think the willingness has to come in from the person who's seeking that support.
Yes.
You
Yes.
know, whether they are looking for that support in the professional side or in their personal journey. Because ट्रांजिशनिंग फेजेस दोनों तरफ आ सकते हैं, जैसे मैंने पहले ही बोला था, किसी भी सिचुएशन में, ओके, अगर आप कहो एम्प्टीनेस सिंड्रोम, ओके, दैट्स अ वेरी कॉमन सिचुएशन व्हिच लॉट ऑफ वुमेन स्पेसिफिकली गो थ्रू. कई बार हमें नहीं समझ में आता कि उस सिचुएशन को कैसे हैंडल करें, राइट? सो दैट इज अ ट्रांजिशनिंग स्टेज. प्रोफेशनली अगर बोलूं तो moving from an individual contributor to a people manager role, that's a transitioning phase.
Yes.
You might be working in a small firm for some years and then suddenly you join a conglomerate. You feel like lost in the ocean. That's a transitioning phase, right? तो किसी भी सिचुएशन में अगर आपको लगता है that you know, some support, some advice, some guidance, some structured approach from a neutral person, right, will help you, is where we come into picture, right? We help you bring structure to your thoughts, to the situations, and to the future strategies that you can make to overcome that situation or to address that situation.
So much to
Yeah.
look forward to with Sail and Rise. एंड मैं तो हर कदम पे जब जब अभी एकता ने जब मेंशन किया कि आपके पास ऑलरेडी कोई स्किल सेट है, जैसे मुझे प्लांट्स से बचपन से प्यार था, मैंने बॉटनी में इकोलॉजी में मास्टर्स किया था, दैट नॉलेज दैट पैशन वाज देयर, बट टेकिंग दैट स्टेप फॉरवर्ड to create a brand called My Little Greens Maila was a step which should have happened maybe 2 decades back, but it happened only 6 years back. Well, I was not sitting idle, but still. And then all through my life, I've been appreciated for my cooking, but taking it to that professional level where I'm entering the hearts and homes of people, earning money, because देखो भाई पैसा सबको चाहिए और पैसा जरूरी है. And
Money gives you independence, Ila.
secondly,
And
being,
okay,
हाँ,
एक सिंपल सी चीज है, अभी आपने बोला कि माई लिटिल ग्रीन्स ग्रीन शायद पहले शुरू होना चाहिए था. मैं एक ही चीज बोलूंगी यहाँ पे, कोई भी टाइम लेट या जल्दी नहीं होता. You can start at any time in your life, right? We have so many examples jahan pe uh, like KFC was started by somebody who was in the late 50s and 60s, right? तो और कुछ ऐसी जर्नी भी है like Facebook which was started by somebody who was in his 20s.
Yes,
तो लाइफ की जर्नी और जो एक नया फेज है लाइफ का, वो कभी भी किसी भी टाइम किसी भी सिचुएशन में किसी के साथ भी शुरू हो सकता है. इट्स जस्ट दैट कि हमें उसको उस टाइम पर एम्ब्रेस करना आना चाहिए, और उस सिचुएशन को एक्सेप्ट करके अगर हमें कोई सपोर्ट कर दे उस टाइम पर, एक पॉजिटिव पुश दे दे कि यस यू कैन डू इट, एंड हेल्प अस स्टीयर थ्रू कि आप कैसे कर सकते हो, आई थिंक जर्नी बिकम्स मच सिंपलर एंड मच happier.
absolutely.
True.
I am being ridiculed by my friends, by people known to me, that when it's time for people to retire, you have started working as a home chef. तुम्हें जरूरत क्या थी इसमें फंसने के लिए कि तुम छुट्टी भी नहीं लेती हो? So it's my
And
passion.
और अगर हम बोले तो हम कहते हैं कि वी लुक अप टू इला टू इवन थिंक ऑफ स्टार्टिंग समथिंग एट दिस टाइम. यू नो, लुक एट हर, इफ शी कैन डू इट, मतलब हमें तो डेफिनेटली करना चाहिए.
I'll be 16 year 27, 2027. So when people are thinking of sitting back now relaxing कि अब तो बस दुनिया घूमनी है, अब मुझे ये करना है वो करना है, अगर मैं काम कर रही हूँ, तो ऐसे मेरे जैसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनके पास बहुत सारा टैलेंट है, जिनके पास एक फायर भी है कि हमें कुछ करना है, लेकिन they don't have the wherewithal, they don't have the right kind of advice or that structured
करेक्ट.
approach support. So I'm very sure that Sail and Rise is going to help so many people who really want to begin or develop or grow as entrepreneurs. Ladies, wishing you all the very best in your journey. तो जितने भी लोग अभी हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं और जो बाद में हमारे आज के इस कॉन्वर्सेशन को देखेंगे, प्लीज शेयर दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन फर्दर. Who knows, there are so many people waiting for the right kind of advice, the right kind of platform. चलते चलते एक चीज मैं आपसे जरूर पूछूंगी, जिस तरह का की सर्विसेज आप लेकर आ रहे हैं सेल टू राइज पे, बहुत सारे एजेंसीज या बहुत सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट करते हैं. कोई भी आना चाहेगा तो आपके पास क्यों आएगा? व्हाट विल बी डिफरेंट? व्हाट शुड दे, उनके के साथ एक्स्ट्रा उनको ऐसा क्या मिलेगा जो दूसरी एजेंसीज या प्लेटफॉर्म्स नहीं देंगे?
ये आंसर एकता बोलेगी.
एक तक डायरेक्टेड.
Happy to answer this question. Yes, you're very right. बहुत सारी प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं, एंड आई एम श्योर कि कई प्लेटफॉर्म से हम भी बात करते हैं. वी ऑल्सो वुड हैव सीक्ड हेल्प. Monica is also a coach, so a lot of people would coach, take coaching services from her. If I've had some issues or challenges, I've spoken to her, and we three have had many conversations one-on-one and together also. Why do we talk to each other? I mean, there has to be a reason that why am I having a certain kind of conversation with Monica and having a very different kind of conversation with Ila. But I cannot have those conversations by swapping the two. There has to be a reason behind it, right? Now, the reason is very simple. One is the acumen. Not to say that the other person doesn't have the understanding or the knowledge, but it's just that my mind says that, okay, if I need to discuss something very professional or more at a corporate level, my go-to person is, say, Monica. But if I am talking about, say, more about understanding relationships, the emotional aspect, the mental well-being point of view, say, let's say my go-to person is Ila. It is because when they are listening to me, they're not judging me.
Yeah.
And not because they are my friends, but that is the kind of support and environment they provide me. So at Sale to Rise, be rest assured, you're not going to be judged about what you come and tell us or what what your thoughts or ideas are. Yes, we will have conversations which at times might be hard hitting, which might be questioning the core concept that you are trying to bring in. But it is with an intent to help you sail through it to rise eventually. That is one. It is the personal touch. And as a very firm believer of this, there are many other people who offer wealth management services. But my clients are mine because they come to me. So the uniqueness in this is Monica and Ekta, who bring in their expertise, who bring in that compassion. And we obviously follow the three P's and three E's, which I think were a part of my core, but have now also started to become the core for Monica also. One which you spoke about, Ila, which is passion.
Yep.
It's perseverance and panache to own something. And as Monica said in the beginning, we're not just going to be there as a service provider, we're going to be your partner. Your success is our success. If you're struggling, we are struggling with you. We will collectively bring that. So there is going to be a lot of emotional connects that are going to get built over here. One, two, in our discussions, both Monica and I have come to agree that we are going to focus on something called as small is beautiful.
Yes.
And by small is beautiful is we don't mean that we are only wanting to talk to people who have small businesses. No, that's not the interpretation of this. स्मॉल इज ब्यूटीफुल का मतलब ये है कि जो भी हमारे सेल टू राइस को अप्रोच करेगा वो एकता और मोनिका से बात करेगा, चाहे उसका बिजनेस इतने लेवल पे है या वो इतने लेवल पे. देयर विल बी अ पर्सनलाइज अटेंशन conversation with the two of us. Should we need to bring in an expert which falls outside our scope, we still would be there to handhold the person. So personalization, bringing in that the approach of mentoring. One may feel that these are all words of English, but I think it's only when you experience it is when you understand it कि कैसे आप किसी एक को चुनते हैं vis-a-vis दूसरे को. So that's going
Correct.
to be our biggest differentiator, which is us, because our work can be replicated, or maybe somebody else's work is getting replicated by us, right? Because as you said that there are many other service providers, but the execution capability that lies between Monica and Ekta, that nobody can copy. We are unique in our own ways, and we will bring that uniqueness to your unique challenges and your unique ideas, and build on that in the most unique manner that works for you. So customize it to the T. Anything you want to add to it?
Absolutely. I think you've beautifully said that, Ekta. Uniqueness, okay, personalized attention, support, partnering in the journey. Uh, the only thing that I'll add here is that in all of this, what we are trying to do is we are trying to create a safe space for you, okay, wherein you can just bear it all, to discuss with us, to share with us what you're going through and what is your aspiration, okay. And there may be a situation wherein even aspiration is not clear, so we together reach that aspirational level, right? The only ask in this entire thing from the other person would be to have that faith, have that confidence, and be willing to bear all, so that the journey, or the partnership becomes win-win, right? We understand you only till it's like a doctor patient relationship, okay. Till the time you share everything with us, it's very difficult to work together,
Agreed.
right? And
Totally.
in the same manner as doctor and patient, the doctor does not leave the patient till the time the patient is absolutely cured, right? That's the kind of ownership that we are trying to achieve. We are not looking at selling a product wherein one sold, I'm sorry, caveat emptor, the client customer is somebody who should be aware of it. वो नहीं हम लोग कर रहे कि हमने तो आपको बता दिया, अब हमारे को नहीं पता ये आपने क्या किया उसके ऊपर, आपका नहीं चला तो मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती, आई एम सॉरी, दैट्स नॉट व्हाट वी आर. ओके, so we work with you, we stay with you, we we grow with you. वो सबका साथ सबका विकास, वो हमारा भी एक हिडन मोटो कह सकते हैं. आप आगे बढ़ेंगे तो हम भी बढ़ेंगे.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. Can
Also,
men also come to you for your
absolutely, why not? We are gender agnostic. Yeah,
Absolutely.
absolutely. Men, women, I mean, any gender is most welcome. You know, I have always maintained this even in my financial sessions, that the rule of the game is pretty much the same. Yes, there are some additional guidances or some myth breaking that are needed, gender specific, but barring that, the rule is the same. The playground is the same, and
Yep.
it will be the same. Yes, we have our challenges, which are, which one cannot ignore, but as we said that हम सिर्फ यहाँ पे प्रोफेशनल हेल्प नहीं देंगे, हम एक वो you'll have a friend to talk to who is there to guide you, support you. That's what worked for all of us, right? Over here for the three of us. While we
Yes.
were getting professional guidance and support and advice, but at the same time, we were also questioning each other, challenging each other, and supporting each other. So that is what we are going to be replicating. And as Ila said, that on a pro bono basis or in a friendly manner, we've done it, right? So we've also taken up this challenge on us that we will be able to do this. We are very confident. After all, we are running our businesses. And parallelly, as much as I am mentoring Monica, Monica is mentoring me.
Absolutely.
And all two of us are mentoring Ila, and Ila is mentoring the two of us. So, it's a cycle. It's the butterfly effect that many a times has been spoken at the Motherhood Club platform. We are just trying to join the dots, bring it all together. And to my mind, Ila, most of the platforms who help you become an entrepreneur or scale up your business largely focuses on the professional aspect.
Yes,
Unless and until
completely.
you mention that I have a personal challenge where a coach comes in, but then that's a different space. Here you get a holistic approach. So it's like a basket which is available for you to pick and choose, and at the same time have two people who might be able to tell you that, hey, you know what? In addition to this, you also need this, and maybe have some conversations which might just awaken you कि हाँ मुझे इसके ऊपर भी काम करना है. So I think that's going to be our differentiator.
Very well explained. And I suppose that this sums it all up. Sail to Rise is here for every aspiring entrepreneur, anybody who's struggling with their business or who wants to scale up their business. It is for men and women. It is for across, their services would be provided to across all age groups.
Yes.
आपके पास एक 20-25 साल का लड़का या लड़की भी आ सकता है कि मैं ये काम करना चाहता हूँ, मेरे को ये स्टार्टअप करना है, या हमारे जैसे लोग भी आ सकते हैं, या मुझसे उम्र में बड़े वाले भी जिनके पास कोई एक सर्टेन स्किल सेट है और वो कुछ करना चाहते हैं लेकिन नहीं पता कैसे करना है, वो लोग भी आपके पास आ सकते हैं प्रोफेशनल एडवाइस के लिए. आपकी जो ये जर्नी रहने वाली है, आई एम श्योर इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी एक्साइटिंग, इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी चैलेंजिंग. And all those who associate with you as your clients or customers are going to benefit a great deal, as I have been benefiting. And I'm sure that people would understand that a professional advice comes at a cost. तो ये भी लोग याद रखें, जो भी आपके पास अप्रोच करें, कि सिर्फ जिससे कहते हैं कि जो हमारा सोशल प्लेटफॉर्म है, सोशल वर्क के लिए जो प्लेटफॉर्म है वो मदरहुड क्लब है, लेकिन सेल टू राइज टोटली एक प्रोफेशनल सेटअप है जहाँ पे
Yeah.
सर्विसेज दी जाएंगी और उसके बदले में आपसे एक फीस भी ली जाएगी। ये मैं एट द ऑनसेट नहीं ही मतलब क्लियर करना चाहती थी, लेकिन मुझे लगा नाउ बिफोर वी एंड अप आवर कन्वर्सेशन, वी एंड दिस इवनिंग, people should know. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. Please share this conversation across all platforms that you can, all amongst your friends and family who knows, who may be looking for some professional advice for a transformational platform. So, Sale to Rise is there for them. Ekta and Monica, thank you for this beautiful hour full of meaningful conversation, full of so much expertise. And yes, आप दोनों इतने पैशनेट हो अपने काम के बारे में, तो आप पीछे मुड़ के देखोगे ही नहीं. दिस आई एम वेरी श्योर ऑफ. एंड यस, आई वुड बी चूइंग योर ब्रेन्स for more professional advice. So, thank you so much for being with us this evening and wishing Sail to Rise the very, 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 very best. Thank you so much. And before we wind up, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining in. And please keep motivating us and keep getting motivated from us. So take care, everyone. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Sign-
Thank you so much for
Bye.
having me, Sheila. Bye-bye,
Thank you.
everyone.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.